It takes the average person 11 weeks to fully get over a breakup, which means you've got 3 months to make her crawl back. And let me be clear, before you're all like, it's so childish and she should just go, well, I get it. And I'm not saying that she is the one for you or the one that you should be with. If you guys broke up or she dumped you, chances are there is a fundamental problem with your relationship. But in terms of your ego and basically feeling better, it doesn't hurt when she wants you back. And so today, guys, I'm going over my 6-step plan to make her come crawling back to you. Step number 1 is 0 contact. I'm talking about none. No text messages, no running into her, no bumping into her, no by accident like butt dialing her or calling her when you're drunk. 0 contact for 30 days. All right, bottom line is this: absence does make the heart grow fonder. But if you are somebody that's burning up her phone or always like being around, she doesn't have time to miss you. Remember, it takes her 11 weeks or 3 months to get over you, which means even after 30 days, she is not over you. The first step is the most challenging for every guy, because when you break up, you want to reach out. If you're heartbroken, you want to connect. You want to just explain yourself, have one more conversation. Stop it. If you're serious about her crawling back to you and begging to get back with you, you need to do this. The other reason why the 0 contact is so incredibly emotionally effective is that it gives her time to think about you. She doesn't think about the bad times with you or the times that you were controlling. She thinks about the good times. That's what she misses. And so she is going to focus on that. But while she's doing that, I need you to focus on you. Step number 2 is be better. Self-improvement demonstrates growth. And so if you start taking better care of yourself, and it starts with going to the gym, if you're already not going to the gym, go to the gym, work out, start eating better. Get your body fat down 5 to 10 pounds. 10 pounds of fat in 30 days. That's what the goal should be. I want you to do what you need to do, whether or not it's exercise, diet, a combination of both, to get your body fat down 10 pounds. Not only is your body and physique going to look better, your confidence is going to skyrocket, which is sexy, but your face is also going to become more angular and defined. If you're already going to the gym and working out and eating healthy, go harder. I want you to literally get in the best shape of your life in the next 30 days. The second thing I want you to do is work on your style. All right, because everybody is more attracted to a dude that dresses well. Style is one of those things that instantly makes somebody look more attractive and feel better about themselves. And when she sees you after 30 days and you are dressed well, your body obviously looks good and your clothing fits your body, this automatically is going to make her want you like crazy. She doesn't want somebody else to get you now that you're a better person. By taking better care of yourself, it signals that you're thriving. It signals that you're not fixated on her or the fact that you guys just broke up. And it, once again, makes her curious. It's like, why? Is there somebody else? Why wasn't he doing this when we were together? 30 days. If you start using T. Shanley for 30 days, your face is going to look clean, it's going to look clear, your skin is going to pop, it's going to radiate, and you are going to be more handsome. After 30 days of using T. Shanley, guys, when she sees you, your face is going to look different. It's going to look better. It's going to glow. Your skin is going to be clear. It's going to literally like pop with handsomeness. And right now, I've got a deal for you that is popping. If you hit that special link down below, guys, I'm taking all of the guesswork out of it. $9, meaning like it's a no-brainer. $9, you're going to get the starter set that comes with the face wash. It also comes with your AM moisturizer that has an SPF of 20. Use the wash every morning, every night, and then use the AM moisturizer before you leave the house in the day. Those two basic things will have a dramatic impact on the way that your skin looks and feels. Now, if you want to go next level, I've also got a special deal for you on a level 1 system. $15. Make her holla because you're going to look so damn good. That's what I personally would recommend. If you go through my special link, guys, you can either grab the $9 set or the $15 level 1, which comes with your wash, your AM moisturizer, your PM moisturizer, but you also get an exfoliating scrub. Guys, the level 1 system, in my opinion, for $15 is what you should grab, period, because it's super affordable. And literally after 30 days of using this system and doing what we recommend, because in every system you're going to get this, all right? It's a card that shows you what time of day to use what product, in what order, even how much. Guys, we've taken all the guesswork out of it. 30 days. You give me and T. Shanley 30 days and I will give you her crawling back because your face is going to look so damn sexy. Guys, hit the link down below. Do not wait. That link is special. You've got to go through my link in order to grab this deal. $9 starter set or the $15 level 1. It's an incredible deal. $15 for 4 amazing products and 1 handsome face. That is yours. So for 30 days, you are working on you. You're also not contacting her and you're not posting on social media. I want you to basically go dark. All right. The whole reason is because I want her guessing. I want her thinking. I want her worrying that you're out there doing things that are more fun or you're with somebody better. Now, after 30 days, I want you to send her a text message, something casual, something friendly, something non-committal. It's literally like you've come back from the dead. She in her head thinks that you have totally moved on. Have you? No. You've been playing the game and you've been doing what you need to do to make her basically come crawling back. But when you reach back out, keeping it very casual, you're not talking about relationships, you're not talking about anything like significant. Something casual like, hey, I saw something that made me think of you today. She's going to be like, what? Hey, great to hear from you. Well, what was it? And then you're going to respond with something that she likes, whether or not it was a restaurant, a place that you guys went together that she loved, or you guys had a good time at. It's about triggering fond memories, which is actually the 4th step. It's about triggering positive emotions. Why is this so powerful? Because she's going to now start to think about the things that were good about you, your relationship, and the times that you had. And it's going to make her miss you like crazy. Remember, she hasn't talked to you in 30 days. She has no idea if you're dating somebody. She has no idea that you're awesome. Like, she doesn't know. And so by being very confident and not kissing her ass and begging for her to come back or whatever, it's going to make her want you like crazy. So for about a week to 2 weeks, it's casual. Nothing sexual yet. That's going to be step number 5, which we'll talk about in a second. But you're going to keep it very light, very playful, very fun. It's the best part of you that she misses. And then after about 2 weeks of casual text, what I want you to do is start to flirt a little bit. Not too heavy, not too, hey, why don't we get together and have sex? Nothing like that. Not yet. That's going to happen when she comes crawling back. Just start flirting a little bit. Little things, you know her, so I'm not going to tell you how to flirt, but little subtle things. And then I want you to take it after about a week of that, a little bit sexual. Not too over the top, but, something like simple like, oh man, I really missed the way you did X. Or you were the best at whatever, right? By saying this, it's basically giving her a reaffirmation of how good she was, how much you desired her, and that you want her again. It's going to get all the juices flowing in the right ways and get her super freaking excited. You got to start slow and build and gauge her interest. Gauge how she's basically responding to you. If she's responding in a positive manner, start to build it a little bit more. It's about gauging her interest. And then the 6th and final step is to wait for her to basically drunk dial you in the middle of the night. And when she does, don't take the bait. Say no. This is the final piece of the puzzle. When you reject her after she makes an advance because you built it up, you've gotten her excited, and you say no, she is literally going to be at your door the next morning or burning your phone up. She is not going to be able to get enough of you. She literally is going to be crawling back to you because you didn't let her come over. Now, what would happen if you actually said, sure, come over after she drunk dialed you and was like, yo, I'm coming over. She ran into the reason is because she's going to be remorseful the next day if she hooks up with you when she's drunk. All right, you shouldn't do that. You can't do that. Even though you want to, you should not do that if you truly want to basically make her desire you in a non-drunk way. Now, if you just want to hit it and quit it and you're like, yo, whatever, and then kick her to the curb, you do that. I don't care. But if you're serious about wanting to get back with her, you cannot fall for the bait. She's going to test you. She's going to throw it out there. But if you're strong and you're able to say no, that puts you in the position of power. And this is an amazing place to be. She will be crawling back on your terms.